Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Taro Root Chips. Very healthy snack recipe. You can easily make your kids go with some taro root. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I have 200 grams of taro root. Peel off the skin using a knife or a peeler. Taro root has a lot of health benefits such as it is rich in fibers and other nutrients. Helps to control blood sugar levels, reduces the risk of heart disease, offers anti-cancer properties and helps in weight loss. Likewise, peel all the taro root and wash it in clean water twice or thrice and make sure it's clean. Then make thin slices using a knife. Likewise, slice all the taro root and add it to a mixing bowl. To this, add 2 tablespoons of corn flour, half teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of chilli powder. Mix all the ingredients well and make sure the spices are all well spread. Now it's ready to get fried. Pick a handful of taro root slices and add it to hot oil. Let this fry for 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, flip sides and again fry for 2 more minutes in medium flame. Flip sides in between and make sure all the sides are evenly cooked. Now all the sides are nice, crispy and golden brown, so let's now remove them. Now our delicious and healthy taro root chips is ready. Serve it nice and hot with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, quick and a healthy recipe. So do try this taro root chips recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.